Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact Apple ID email. That's the key. Next, choose the quickest verification path, a trusted device or trusted phone number, and make sure your device is online and updated. Open Settings on iPhone or System Settings on Mac and tap your name. Once you're there, select Password and Security. You're starting the reset flow now, so gather codes and keep the device unlocked. This prevents delays and streamlines the next steps. Once done, if you're on a trusted device, pick Change Password. You'll be prompted to enter the device passcode, then create a new password that meets Apple's rules. If you don't have a trusted device, go to iForget. Apple.com and enter the Apple ID, follow verification steps and receive a code by text or call. If you use two-factor or a recovery key, supply that information when requested. Make sure passwords are strong yet memorable, and avoid reused phrases. After resetting, sign back into iCloud and Apple services on all devices. You may need to re-enter the new password in Mail, App Store, and other apps. Update any saved passwords in your password manager to avoid lockouts. If you can't verify or you're locked out, start Apple's account recovery. It's slower, often 24 to 72 hours, but it works. In the meantime, check trusted phone numbers and recovery key information. If problems persist, keep calm and follow recovery status updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.